This encounter, Mumbai Heroes, a few changes there, but Varun still captaining the side as they play for pride today. Karnataka Bulldozers, their captain, Kecha Shadeep, will also be keeping wickets. Would be hoping that his side gets at least one win under their belt. Right. All in readiness. Karnataka Bulldozers, remember, are batting first, trying to put runs on the board. Pradeep opening the batting for them. And then, of course, there's Tarun as well. Tarun Chandra is a cracker of a batsman, so it'll be interesting to see what kind of start they get, because Manoj Tiwari's got the new ball in his hand. He'll be starting proceedings with the ball for the Mumbai Heroes. In the commentary box, I'm Raman Bhanot, and a very warm welcome to Sunil Joshi.
Good afternoon, Raman. Good afternoon to the all viewers of CCL T10 Blast, sponsored by Bharti Cement. Match number 5, Mumbai Heroes and Karnataka Bulldozers on its way.
It's Christmas time. Here comes the first ball. It's Christmas for the batsman as well. Smacked away for 4. That was a juicy ball and it's been put away. Karnataka Bulldozers are on their way.
It's a warm welcome for Manoj Tiwari as well. Christmas Day. Christmas gift, first ball. Sent packing towards the boundary by Pradeep as well.
Full toss. Pradeep needed no further invitation. That was a Christmas gift, delivered bang on time.
Plump came very sweet. First ball.
What's the change in the field now? Manoj Tiwari wants to put a man back on the onside, but no, that still hasn't happened. Remember, the power play is on. You can only have 2 boundary riders outside the 30-yard circle. They're bringing in the fielder on the offside from deep point in. And they are going to put a man back on the onside, and that is going to be a boundary rider at deep square.
Absolutely, Raman. Slight confusion for the which fielder need to go out. Anyway, Manoj Tiwari back in action with the second ball. Still, there is a debate going on the field position.
The debate's going on because they want to have a fielder back at long on as well. Kecha Shadeep is the man we were looking at. That is interesting, Sunil. You've got 2 boundary riders on the on, deep square, long on, and that ball was asking to be hit outside off stump.
I think that was a good trick by Manoj Tiwari, keeping the field on the boundary line, 2 fielders onside and bowling short outside the off stump. Was it not a trick, Raman?
Well, he's gotten away with it is all I'll say. Well fielded. Excellent work, and there's a chance of a run out here. They will get a wicket, Mumbai Heroes. Well done. Sharad Khelkar did absolutely excellent work there, standing at mid-off. Pradeep is so very livid with his partner.
I think it's absolutely Tarun's mistake, looking at the fielder, not looking at the ball. I think Pradeep Khelkar, great effort. Sharad Khelkar, I beg your pardon. Sharad Khelkar, great effort. Look at him there. Brilliant.
Brilliant fielding effort at mid-off, and the keeper doing well as well, making sure that he collected the throw off balance. Manoj Tiwari is ecstatic. You can see contrasting emotions in the Kerala Bulldozers camp. But there you go. Tarun Chandra's run out without having faced a ball, and Karnataka Bulldozers are 4 for 1. Rajiv is the new batsman in for the Karnataka Bulldozers. They've lost a wicket in the very first over. Excellent fielding effort by Sharad Khelkar, standing at mid-off. That forced that mix-up. But now, another right-hander is in, and this is something that Manoj Tiwari will love, because he's got these big in-dippers, and he'll fancy the right-hander on strike. Khelkar doing excellently at mid-off, effecting that run out.
I think ideally Raman That's the run out what we are having a look. That's a brilliant fielder from Khelka, mid off. I think the non-striker Tarun was looking at